Good morning from Hanoi, and this is how locals usually start their day with a live breakfast Bun Thang, a Hanoi classic, as iconic as first, a showdown in Hang Ma Street full of colors and old fashioned here. And I'm Minh Tuyết. Welcome back to GADT Travel, and now I'm really excited to explore. Let's go!
GADT Travel.
Look at this, the menu. There's so many different. This is like bún thang and phở. Yeah. Cô ơi, cho con gọi một suất bún thang. And you know what? Bún thang as iconic as phở, and this is like a signature for breakfast in Hanoi. Just in Hanoi. I don't think that they have bún thang in Ho Chi Minh City. Vietnamese people really love eat phở or bún thang in the morning because it's not really like full. It's just enough for they to start the day. Dạ có. Look at this, a little bit lemon. You know what? One side to know like how this is good is it need to clear and have a little like golden layer on the top like this. This is so sweet, and this sweetness is because our simmering, not like MSGs or like seasoning powder. I also like feel like a little bit strong taste. And in Vietnamese we call shrimp pastry mắm tôm. I don't know, in their country or in another country, do they have this? But I think this is really like signature in Vietnam. We have chickens like this, and this is a sliced egg, onions, and I don't know what is this. Cô ơi, cho con hỏi cái này là cái gì đấy ạ? Củ cải. Vâng, cảm ơn. And also mushroom, and this is noodle. Okay, now we mix it. That is so good. You can see noodle they use in this bún thang is like smaller than phở, right? But it's really soft. It's really good, and it's a little bit fat, but I love it. Besides phở, you should try one. And for my bowl, it's cost just like $3. Yeah. The white radish is really crispy, and you know what? The taste is, I feel like it's richer than phở. Yeah, it has so many tastes. This is called trà sâm dứa. She say that this drink is really good for sleep. I feel like chicken fest is linger on my lip. Oh my god. Em là chị ạ. The weather today is so beautiful, and it's perfect for one day to explore Hanoi. Now we are lost in Tạ Hiện Street. People really come this street at night, right? But now we explore in the morning. And let's grab a coconut for a long journey to explore Hang Ma Street with me. Okay. Now we are across the road. So many shops. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, right? Oh my god. Christmas tree. Big bowl, but it's like decor on the tree, right? Oh, okay. It's just like this. Oh, this beer is so cute. Oh. Yeah, it's so beautiful, right? Cho em hỏi một con gấu bé này bao nhiêu tiền đấy ạ? 950.000. It's a little bit expensive. Look at this. It's still like what? Oh my god, snowball, right? Oh my god, this is so big. Ah, so cute. Am I look good? What is this? Do you know this? This tree is so cute. Oh, you can see so many snowball, right? I just see it on the film in like in the US film, but so after walking, you can see a long line, just all the Christmas decor, right? So if you come to Vietnam this time, Christmas is coming, so all the streets are full of with red, golden. If you come this street at night, I think it's more beautiful because the light is off everywhere. You can see they also like decor is beside the of the house, right? Big Santa Claus. I can see a Santa hat. Yeah, the sound. And then they have so many India, right? Beside. Yeah, Christmas tree is also pink. So lovely. I really love this color. Yeah, although Vietnam is not like Christmas majority country, but you can see in Vietnam we celebrate Christmas is so big. So many people, Vietnamese people, come to this street to buy decorations. I see so many Santa Claus, so beautiful. This is so cute. Oh, it's made by bamboo, right? Do you think it's made by bamboo? Santa Claus wear pink clothes. There's so many candy here. Ah, so lovely. Oh, this shop This shop sells so many beer, right? This is so cute. Oh. Look at this. I see a red high tree, Christmas tree. And this is the end of Hang Ma Street, and that's our wrap for a perfect Hanoi morning. We start with a warm bowl of Bun Thang, and then wandering through old quarter, discovering Hang Ma Street, like all dressed for Christmas vibe. So if you come to Hanoi this time, this is a must-go place. And don't forget to click like, share, and follow GADT Travel so I can take you for more adventure. And see you in the next video. Bye!
GADT Travel. Your smile, our happiness.